Let's get to morning movers.
All right, I'm also looking at shares of Zynga in the pre-market because it is up more than 20% right now. The social game maker saying sales topping analyst estimates, but the excitement here is over $200 million of planned buybacks of its equity and announcement of a partnership with a UK real money gaming operator. Paul Gadrowski, a Bloomberg contributor, says that Zynga is really a cheap option on legalized online gambling. So this news perhaps providing some excitement for investors, Sarah.
Another earnings report to watch, P&G, Procter & Gamble, watching this one based out of Cincinnati, Ohio, one of the key consumer staple companies. It's not really moving much, but it is certainly one to watch in today's session, just releasing earnings. And the big headline here is that it maintained its forecast for the year. Its numbers, Scarlet, came in pretty much in line. Everybody wants to know from the 8:30 a.m. conference call what the second quarter view is, and also some comments there on how they're going to save costs.
Right. 2012 earnings per share to grow at double-digit rate, but it is cutting 6% of jobs, just to reiterate that headline. Potash also moving in the pre-market this morning, down. Third quarter earnings per share of 74 cents, missing the consensus by a penny. The company cutting its annual earnings per share forecast because of higher than average North American inventories. People not buying as much.
And the big macro mover of the day in the UK. We haven't talked enough about this. The UK GDP came out. They're out of their double dip recession, thanks in part perhaps to the Olympic stimulus. Also, Tom Keene was recently in London. Wonder if that helped. Watch the FTSE 100 surging. The number on the GDP number was 1%. Economists were looking at 0.6%.
That's
so
a bounce back.
Yeah.
There's definitely I felt this. Just
felt
like in New York City. I've been there like 3 times recently, and this was decidedly different.
Well, the numbers confirmed your feeling.